Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is peacock cover page design. Draw the peacock outline like this. I am using black color sketch pen for outline. If you want, you can use color pen, marker pen, brush pen, whatever you want. If you want, you can use any other colors. Draw the line like this. Same design repeat here. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. Here I am drawing flower. Draw the flower outline like this. I am drawing legs. Draw the leaf shape like this. Here I am drawing mango shape. Now I am using green color highlighter. Fill this middle space with green color highlighter. If you want, you can use a sketch pen or color pen. Draw the line like this. Now I am using light pink color highlighter. Fill this middle space with this color. Fill like this. Now I am using pink color pencil. Fill this space with pink color pencil. If you want, you can use any other colors. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. Fill this middle space with light blue color brush pen. Fill like this. Same color repeat here. Now I am using blue color, dark blue color. Fill like this. Now I am using yellow color pencil. Draw the line like this. I am using scale and black color sketch pen for this. Now I am using green color highlighter. Draw the dots like this. With black color sketch pen, I am using orange color sketch pen. Draw like this. I am drawing peacock. Draw the peacock outline like this. I am drawing leaf shape. Draw like this. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs or any type of cards, comment on comment section. Now I am using blue color brush pen. Fill this middle space with blue color brush pen. Fill like this. Now I am using yellow color pencil. Fill this middle space with yellow color pencil. Fill like this. If you want, you can use any other colors. I am using yellow color pencil. Fill like this. Same color repeat here. Now I am using blue color brush pen. Fill this middle space with blue color brush pen. Fill like this. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. Fill this middle space with light blue color brush pen. Fill like this. Now I am using red color pencil. This is green color brush pen. I am shading with green color brush pen. Shade like this. Draw the line like this. Draw like a frame. I am using scale and black color sketch pen for this. Make a small line like this. Now I am using yellow color pencil.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing.